Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want better sleep, fewer late night notifications, and a healthier daily routine, bedtime mode is exactly what you need. In iPhone settings 2026, bedtime mode is part of sleep focus, helping you silence distractions, dim the screen, and maintain a consistent sleep schedule. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn on bedtime mode on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, go to settings. Okay, look for focus. Yeah, so this is where all focus modes are managed. Now tap sleep. So inside focus, tap sleep, as you can see. So sleep focus is what replaces and controls bedtime mode. Okay, so turn on sleep focus, enable it. Okay, so like this. So this activates bedtime mode behavior. Notifications are silenced. Lock screen is dimmed. Distractions are reduced. Okay. So now set a sleep schedule. Okay. So tap schedule or add schedule. Set bedtime, wake up time, and days of the week. Okay. So once set, bedtime mode turns on automatically every night. Okay. So customize allowed notifications too. So under allowed notifications, as you can see here, you have people, you have and you have apps. Okay, you can choose the people that you want to contact, or they contact you without that you can get the message from, even when you are using this focus mode or bedtime mode. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial.